Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Apple ID account and passwords in case you forget your account password, device passcode, and can't access your recovery accounts. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first you want to open Settings. Now once you've opened Settings, open your account and Settings. Then scroll all the way down until you see Password and Security. Then open Password and Security and select Account Recovery. Now select Add Recovery Contact. Type in the name of the contact you want to add. Also remember that the person you want to add should be somebody you trust and should at least be 13 years old. They should also have an Apple device. Once you've chosen someone, select Add. Wait for it to load. Now once it has finished loading, you should see a screen like this. Select Send. Your message should be sent to the person you picked. There should also be a message like this. And now you're finished. So now if you ever forget any of your passwords, the contacts you've added can tell you. However, you can only do these steps to prevent losing your account in the future. If you found this to be helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.